Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jaden place? See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings nation. And no, we don't need none of that. Now welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, Jaden Chase, another one. We're going to bring on another important reason on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a shape on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Moses Beenie Man Davis has joined the ranks of Tamale Sparta and Laden as dancehall artists who have subsequently pled guilty to charges brought before them. Tamale Sparta pled guilty to charges of possession. Laden pled guilty to charges of possession. Now, Beenie Man has pled guilty to a breach of the curfew, contrary to the Disaster Risk Management Act, the DRMA order. The thing can get serious for dancehall artists, viewers and subscribers. May I make you see the video today and then we go continue the reasoning.
I was grew and raised, I never born here, but I was raised half of my life in St. Garden, and I was here from the school was made before it came into inception until it started to function. And I have a close relationship with my community. Some people.
Now, viewers and subscribers, let's continue the reasoning. Now, the date set for Beenie Man to return to court is May 14th, and he will make his final plea for mitigation. On that date, Beenie will be sentenced though. He will not face any jail or prison time, however. More than likely, it will be a fine. This is what his lawyer, Roderick Gordon, is expecting. And he also outlined reasons why, based on the circumstances, it should not be a heavy fine. What say you? Do you think that will be the case? Or they're going to try to make an example out of Beenie? Whether it be a heavy fine, seeing that, one, the administration has said it is parties and things of that nature that have boosted the spread, and they have outlined or blamed dancehall artists as one of the contributing factors to what is taking place right here on the island. And to think about it, earlier this year when the situation took place, Beenie Man pled not guilty to all the charges when he appeared before the courts in February, and the incident happened in November of 2020. The incident did not occur this year for all who wonder. You know what I mean? At that time, his bail was extended. Some would say during that time too, he was still with then baby mother and political affiliate. However, there was also some good news. The Crown dropped the charge relating to the Noise Abatement Act, which had suggested that the DJ had failed to obtain permission from the superintendent. Contrary to the Noise Abatement Act, Gordon said he was pleased when the Crown indicated that they would not be pursuing this charge. Now, he said this was one of the more serious charges, and I quote, "We had regarded the Noise Abatement Act charge as a more significant one because it suggested he had not applied for a permit, suggesting he was somehow having music played without proper permission." And he said that would mean he was in clear breach of the law. And he said he's very pleased to see that the Crown withdrew that charge. Now to date, based on what take place on the island, I think the highest we can be charged almost 500,000. You know what I mean? I don't know, big money that to be. And as them attorneys I say, it can be as low as 3 grand, 10 grand, 500,000, depending upon the type of fine. They're gonna fine him. You know, depend via the health protocols and the breaches of those said protocols. And he must say him feel like it's not gonna be the high end. So him not feel like it's gonna be the hundreds of thousands. So I know him feel like it's gonna be Because I can't 10,000. The fact say you did plead not guilty and then change to guilty. That would, however, fact say him take, change him statement and say, alright, we're not going to further make the court have to prove, or the court have to do this, or the court have to do that. Maybe them will, you know, they might have a final chance to make a next plea to mitigate the sentences. So the judge probably might look into that. And, you know, probably 150. That's how we are point out, since the year start, we see a portion of artists in serious legal situations. Critical left on the road right now. You know what I mean? I think him can't travel, because him on bail. So as I see the whole east side, major members of the east side, them are Rich the Kid, Ghana, Barbados. Critical have to go and hold it. Family Sparta situation, behind the bars, pled guilty, got sentenced, and then it's almost like them a work overtime to present new charges against him. We see Laden have a plea guilty to. Him also behind the bars as well. And these are all fresh cases that occurred this year. Know what I mean? Artists need to pre the future. Not just the future of their career. And which song them are gonna make this year. We are gonna hopefully be a hit song or still be playing next year. But also the way them a move about in the streets. Chances where them a take. Remember, there's no such thing as the celebrity status in a Jamaica as a ghetto youth, depending on who you face. But sometimes once the situation reach all in front of the court, that celebrity status sometimes works against you. Because for the better part, it always look like celebrities feel like they're above the law. Then them can travel with, you know, firearms that are not registered, or them can go keep party when the government say enough to keep a party. If it not reach to the courts, yeah, you're good. If because for some reason the officers who attend to the situation are, you know, them get called and respond to the situation, if them can say, alright, it no need for reach station or reach court, then, you know, it's alright. But once it past the phase there, the celebrity status not really help you that much. Sometimes it work against you. Because them don't want to make it look like them and give favors to certain people. And then being ghetto youths, the certain connection we talk about. And every ghetto youth will a star of it. And we see it. It has been proven over and over again. Now because you get riches, that means you automatically know the who's who. And that's how the thing work. You know what I mean? So artists need to keep that in mind going forward. And numerous examples that they right in front of them for them so are going. You know what I mean? And with a thriving career, one of the worst things could happen to you is for you realize say, yo, you're on the verge of accomplishing all the things that you have set out to accomplish, and then have to go stay behind the bars for an untold number of years, while either you have to go put everything on hold, or you have to go all go away and you have to go build it back from scratch, start all over again. So, I guess it's a decision you have to make. What you're really about. Plus, at this time, as some would say, both fans and stakeholders of the dancehall industry, the microscope is on dancehall. So any move dancehall artists make, for other genres of music like hip hop and certain other genres, them know the vibe there. For your industry being in the microscope, so things we sing about and things we do, and people are trying to connect that and try to make that into something, for try to derail a career. Them know of that style. And now I get the thing that dancehall music too. As a young dancehall artist, as soon as the name is established, you have to know so you have to move in a different way. For established dancehall artist, nothing will change. You know what I mean? Because the artist named Beenie, and they must sing song for them a youth, from taste his talent. No. If the thing reach charges stage and the thing gets serious, you might have to plead guilty. Because you don't want to carry this go to court, go dry it out. You know what I mean? So, that is the case. And Beenie has pled guilty. Some that said the wisest move he make too. As I would say, it is never wise if you go to trial but something where you know so you can't beat. You know what I mean? Because then charges could get extensive. Certain things can get revealed within even the trial itself. So, You know, him plead guilty. And him lawyer say that was the best move for him. But it's the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding them now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but they like the reason, and of course they like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, and then the bell icon right after that, and when you put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. Comment section opening. But first and foremost, drop a like and bust a share. The like icon is located in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share and tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out your channel and check out the reason. Join the discussion. Comment section, as I said before, open 24/7. Never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, you can drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions right there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. You know the something go. Our move settings, fam. And we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.